Okay, folks, I know a lot of you don't like when we report on World War III, but if they close the Strait of Hormuz, I don't like the prospect of $5 a gallon. And I don't like the way my country has arrogantly waltzed into the South China Sea and believes they can just exert their influence. Now, this isn't doomsday, folks, unless you're talking about doomsday for the dollar, but it's about a lot more than just nuclear proliferation in Iran, and this certainly merits all of our attention. Let's go around the world on the RSOE, folks. We've had minor earthquakes pretty much all over the U.S. the last 36 hours. We had a meteorite seen by many people hit the ground in Mexico. The earthquake swarm in the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico region is on full force, and we actually had a fairly large earthquake on the western side of the Cocos Plate, so we can go ahead and say that this region has become active once more. Also becoming active is El Hierro. The volcano there is surprising scientists, and we've seen some pyroclastic bursts come out of there. The extreme weather in Europe dumped a ton of snow there last couple of days. Actually was an avalanche in Switzerland yesterday, and volcanic activity is increasing in Indonesia. They've got about 6 or 7 volcanoes that they're watching all throughout the Southwest Pacific. Folks, a lot of you know that at some point today we're supposed to have parts of this magnetic filament eruption strike Earth's magnetic field, and we're probably going to get hit with a coronal hole stream about that same time. Now, folks, if you don't know, these magnetic filaments are arriving all over the sun, ejecting all over the sun. They're very unstable. So right now, in the few hours before these things hit, we can see that we're actually seeing some solar wind speed that's a bit higher than average, which is what is accounting for the slight disturbance you see, the temporal variations on the induction magnetometer, and the horizontal disturbance here on the flux gate. So it'll be really interesting to see what kind of effects these things have when they hit today. That's the news, folks. Be safe.